Welcome to Popalong RC. It's been a long time.
It has been a long time.
It's been too long. Where you been? Where you been? Down the gym? Look at you.
I have been down the gym.
Your moves.
I've been down the gym doing a little bit of working out, because, as we get older. Hey, you know what? This time last year, me and you looked proper stupid, didn't we?
What were we doing this time last?
Stupid. We grew moustaches, didn't we?
We did do moustaches.
Yeah.
I'm kind of Mr. Facial hair, so for
What
me...
you done your hair though, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, I'm due a little trip down to Barber's, me am. So I'm going to do that. Tidy myself up.
Tidy yourself up, sort yourself out. But
Yeah.
at least we don't look as stupid as we did
This time
year.
last
Because we
year.
did it from Movember. We like to do a lot of good things, don't we? A lot of good causes.
Bit of charity
and
work, innit?
Try and give a little bit back.
I'll tell you what I quite like, though.
What's that?
Recently, we gave some money away to a young, talented driver.
We did. We said we were going to do it.
We did it.
We did it. And
He's been in touch.
What did he say?
He spent all his money.
What did he spend it on?
He bought himself TTO1 so he can race in the TTO1 racing.
I'm really pleased about that. You know what? I was watching his racing, and actually, RC is one of those things where you can do it. Anyone can do it, yeah. But you've either got it, or you haven't.
No.
Do you know what I mean? It's in the blood, isn't it? It's
Speaking
in the
about
blood.
got it or you haven't,
Go
right?
on, yeah.
I've got
Yeah.
all the cars. I've got everything.
I know
boss.
you've got everything. You've got
This
some
one
serious
here,
piece of kit.
one of the best RC car events.
Events,
Revival in the mud. It's not in bad nick. I did a good job
You
cleaning
did a
it
good
up.
job. I can smell the GT85 from here.
This thing, what a great day that was. Super fun.
Yeah.
And really enjoyed it. I'm hoping to get this out for a bit of indoor racing soon.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
that car you got in front of you,
Ah.
I haven't run it in ages.
The
boss.
Schumacher ST2.
Yeah,
Is that right?
That's
yeah?
the one.
Okay.
I've booked myself in, boss. I hope you don't mind.
Go on.
I've booked myself in for the MKGP
Ah.
stadium truck. I know you said we can't do it this year, but I thought I can do it.
You can do it, yeah. Well, I'm pleased for you. I won't be doing it this year because I can't make the Sunday, so that kind of blows me out. But I will be there on a Saturday.
Can you remember that one time that
What happened?
we went racing on my wife's birthday?
Yeah. Well, you can remember that more
I
than
can
me.
remember.
can't
I'm
you?
reminded of that quite a lot. But you've learnt from my mistakes.
I have learnt from that because it's the wife's birthday the
That
day
weekend,
on that
innit?
Sunday,
Yeah.
so I can't go. Loads of people were saying we'll take her shopping. Good idea.
Good idea.
Because it's kind of in the shopping
But we
centre.
can't afford it.
But for those of true. For those of you that don't know, the MKGP is a yearly event and it's on at the Milton Keynes Shopping Centre in the UK, and it's basically, dare I say, it's not a world championship, is it? But
Well, a couple of years ago, there's some Americans there, but European standard.
all right, Europeans then. But
I'd go with a European.
yeah, the standard is high. It's an amazing event, but I cannot make it, as I said, this year. But I'll be there on a
I was
Saturday.
going to say, you're going to come on film and
I'm going to
video
come and film
me.
you, take the mickey out of you, and on the Saturday there. And if anybody wants to come over and say hello, well, we might have some stickers and things like that.
See
but
what we can do.
We'll both be there on a Saturday. You will be there on a Saturday and a Sunday, won't you?
Definitely.
So yeah, that'll be good. But like I say, and not only that, I think I've done it for the last 3 years, so it gives someone else.
I didn't
doesn't
do it the first time round, did I?
No, you didn't.
So,
So, but I think it's
all good. We've got to get in yet, though. It's not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed.
Even if we don't get in, we'll both be there on a Saturday, won't we?
I think we'll pop along.
We'll
Because
pop
that's what
along.
we do, innit?
It's
Be
what
on the
we
other
do.
side of the barriers.
Yeah.
But I was thinking, right?
What are you thinking?
I like that.
Yeah.
I like this.
Yeah.
I even like this.
The old Vantage,
Yeah.
yeah, with the massive wheels on.
That's our speed car, isn't it?
yeah.
Which brings me to this car here. This is my Schumacher LD3. It's
Yeah.
got top of the range electrics in this. This was no expense spared pro racer car for Club Racer Carl.
That's right.
And
Yeah.
it's been a great club racer. But it's,
The Schumacher LD3.
yeah, that's the one.
You see, where I'm at, yeah, I have got the a team associated B6.4 and the B7, and I
Yeah.
have run that car at our local, Hearts. I ran it all throughout the summer, and I had a blast with it. It was really good, and I enjoyed it. But I've heard that the Schumacher LD3
In the UK, it's a UK made car.
In
the UK, this is designed for the UK.
Well, it was designed. You know, they probably did a lot of testing in the UK track. Obviously, Schumacher's based in Northamptonshire, right? So,
yeah.
And Silverstone, the Silverstone RC Club is over that way as well. So there's probably a bit of testing done there, but. It does really, really well, doesn't it?
It
and
does.
Actually, well, it won the World Championships, didn't it?
It is. So this here is potentially a World Championship winning car. But I ain't a World Championship winning driver.
No.
And I'm not even a pro racer. Do you want it?
What?
I don't think I'm going to run it, boss. I've got too many cars.
You're going to give that to me?
It's wasted on me, if I'm honest.
I don't think it's wasted on you.
You don't want it then?
No, I do want it. I do want. I'll tell you what. I will take that off your hands. That's very kind of you. I will take that off your hands. And do you know there's a video I've been wanting to do for a while?
Go on.
So I'll put it here. I'll move that and I'll put it here. There's a video I've been wanting to do for a while, right? Now we've noticed that our videos, if we're kind of offering you guys a little bit of inside knowledge on how to become better and faster, the videos do all right, don't they?
They do.
And we like helping people, don't we?
We do.
So, I have a bit of an idea.
Go on then.
So, I was thinking that maybe, now I haven't quite run it past the boys at Schumacher yet, yeah?
Right.
And they don't have to, but I was thinking maybe we could arrange to meet one of their guys, two of their guys, whoever.
Maybe a proper pro driver
racer.
rather than a...
I like that Ben Smith fella. He's good, isn't he?
He's pretty handy with a trigger and a controller,
He's
isn't he?
very good, isn't he? Trish, the guy behind the car and all
He
that.
knows,
You know,
he knows it inside out.
You see, maybe one of those guys, I don't know. But what my plan is it would be nice to sort of hire a track somewhere. Maybe like, I don't know, wheel spin models or...
We've been there, didn't we? We did an open
we
day
did
there.
that, yeah.
Midland Raceway.
Midlands Race. I don't know, somewhere like that. But
Somewhere indoors,
It's got to be
'cause it's
indoors.
winter.
Too cold. And what we'll do is spend a couple of hours, doesn't have to be all day, a couple of hours, maybe an afternoon, and it would be good to pick their brains and blog it. So we take this car as is, because you
Yeah.
set this up, right?
Well, actually, you say that. I did build it,
Yeah.
but Mr. Tunks has had a look at this car.
Well,
Tris himself has had a look at this car, but
He did.
as we learnt when we drove Mr. Olowski's car,
We did, yeah.
you set it up for the driver because we couldn't drive his car.
We could
It was
not.
set up for
Yeah,
high
but
speed.
I got a bit of an excuse because I was really tired that day.
I was better than you with his car. So, take it, do what you like with it.
All right then. So
I need my receiver out of it though.
I'll give you a receiver back. Have you got any spares for this thing?
I've got some spares.
Good.
They're in a box with the spares for the ST2. It's in my
Fine. We'll sort those
Schumacher
out.
spares.
I'm going to clean it up, get it sorted out, and then I'll try and make a few phone calls and try and hopefully make something like that happen.
That would be good.
That would be very, very good, wouldn't it? But I think it will be good for these guys here on how.
Yeah, because they could give you some tips like if you need more steering, do this. If you need less steering, do this. If it's snatching, do this. If it's like bottoming out on jumps and blah 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 blah, the list goes on. It's endless.
The list goes on.
So yeah, enjoy, boss.
That's very kind of you. Thank you very much. I don't know how to repay the favour, to be honest with you.
Well,
Maybe
I'm
I'll
sure
just,
we can think of something.
Maybe I'll just take
In
you out
fact-
for a kebab or something.
Well, I think
Go on.
we've got some more cars due to the channel, and maybe I'll get first dibs.
What cars are they?
They are rally cars.
Ah, yeah, you can have them. All right, cool. Right, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. We'll see ya on another video.